Welcome back to TechKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on HARMONYONE, whose current price stands at the $0.01348 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 3.78%. and in this video I want to give you the key scenarios that I expect to play out, that is the short term and the long term scenarios, basing my analysis on the Elliot wave structures, the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances. And I want to start my analysis here on the daily chart, giving you a brief of what has been happening here on the HARMONYONE chart. And here on the daily chart you can see that HARMONYONE, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we have been seeing a very nice impulsive structures taking us back to an all-time high at around the $0.37 mark, in a movement that I'm terming as a higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the all-time high, we have been seeing no prices in this massive ABC corrective structure, which is right here in yellow, which has now taken us back to around the $0.012 mark, in a movement that I'm terming here on the daily chart as a higher Elliot wave count 2. And after seeing the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 2, whatever we expect next is a movement to the upper side, that is an impulsive movement to the upper side in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 5. And in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 2, which is a corrective wave, we have seen this ABC corrective structure. And giving you a measure from the all-time high in this corrective structure, you can see that the market is down more than 96%, meaning that we might have seen the bear market low, and there are chances that soon HARMONYONE will give us that reversal that we are expecting, and then see a very nice bounce to the upper side in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. And assuming that the low for this higher Elliot wave count 2 is in at around the $0.012 mark, we can sketch out a minimum target area to the upper side that we can expect in the next bull market. And I just need to use the trend based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the HARMONYONE chart then to the all-time high, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upper side at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.6354 mark, and that is the minimum that I will expect HARMONYONE to do to the upper side in the next bull market. And before all that plays out, we also need to have short-term scenarios that can play out here on the HARMONYONE chart. And to give you the short-term scenarios, I'll be jumping to the 1 hour chart. Here on the 1 hour chart, you can see this is the low that I'm saying at around the $0.012 mark, and after making that low, we have been in much of a consolidation, which is right here. And to give you the short-term scenarios that I expect to play out, I want to base my analysis on the key areas of support and resistances, because I don't want to force an Elliot wave structure right here, but you need to have in mind that we might have seen the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2, and that reversal that we are expecting might have started, and soon we might be able to have my Elliot wave structure over here to the upper side in that impulsive movement to the upper side. And giving you the short-term scenarios, there are chances that HARMONYONE might continue retracing back to this key area of support at around the $0.13 mark, and in case we get to that key area of support, then there are chances that we might find support and then see a very nice bounce to the upper side, also manage to break above the 20-day MA, which once we manage to break above it will give us support, and once that happens we can continue pushing even higher. There are also chances that in case we lose the key area of support at around the $0.13 mark, we might continue pushing even lower and make a new low here on the HARMONYONE chart. So that is still a possibility, and in case that happens, then that will be the low for that high Elliot wave count 2. Then expect a very nice impulsive movement to the upper side in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 3. Also taking a look at the indicators to see what movement will be supported here on the RSI. On the RSI we are trading at around the 28 mark, and that means we have massive room for us to see to continue pushing to the upper side, and that would mean there are chances that we might see that reversal over here and continue pushing higher without even getting back to around the $0.13 mark, which is a key area of support. Also taking a look at the MACD. Here on the MACD, we had printed a bearish crossover here, but we are also seeing a decrease in the selling momentum here on the MACD, and that would mean we might see that bullish cross being printed over here, and that would mean higher prices are coming our way. And that's the update for HARMONYONE.